Your phone is about to become obsolete. So is your laptop. Within the next few years, a pair of glasses will do everything both devices do, but better. You'll get turn-by-turn directions projected right in front of your eyes. Text messages will appear as notifications hovering in your field of vision, and you'll respond with just your voice. You'll sit down at a coffee shop, and 3 virtual monitors will appear in front of you, ready for work. No phone in your pocket, no laptop in your bag. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the future Meta is building with their smart glasses, and it's closer than you think. For decades, we've been told that augmented reality glasses would replace our devices, but the technology was never quite there. The glasses were bulky, the battery life was terrible, and the software was clunky. But something has changed. Meta's latest glasses are already on the market, and they're just the beginning. In this video, we're going to explore how Meta glasses are positioned to completely replace both your smartphone and your laptop, what technology is making this possible, and when you can realistically expect this transformation to happen. Let's start with where we are today. Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses are already in their 2nd generation, and they're surprisingly capable. These aren't bulky VR headsets or awkward-looking tech devices. They look like normal Ray-Ban sunglasses that you'd actually want to wear. Right now, these glasses can capture photos and videos with a simple voice command or tap. You can listen to music, take phone calls, and interact with Meta AI, all without touching your phone. The built-in speakers use open-ear audio, so you can hear your surroundings while still enjoying your content. But here's what makes them interesting. They have a camera that can see what you see, and Meta AI can analyze it in real time. You can ask questions about what you're looking at, get translations of signs, or identify plants and animals. The current model doesn't have a display, meaning you can't see visual information projected in your view yet, but Meta has already announced that's coming. These glasses are essentially the foundation, the first step in a much bigger plan. They're getting people comfortable with wearing smart glasses while Meta perfects the technology that will make them truly revolutionary. Your smartphone does a lot, but most of what you use it for can be done better with smart glasses. Think about how often you pull out your phone just to check a notification, send a quick message, or look up something simple. With Meta glasses featuring a heads-up display, all of that happens right in your field of vision. Incoming calls, text messages, and app notifications appear as small overlays that don't block your view, but are always accessible with a glance. You can respond using voice commands, and the AI understands context well enough to help you compose messages naturally. Navigation becomes seamless because directions are literally projected onto the road in front of you, like a real-life video game waypoint system. Taking photos and videos becomes more natural because you're capturing exactly what you see, not what a phone camera sees from your hand. Social media, messaging apps, and even video calls can happen through the glasses with virtual screens that only you can see. The key advantage is that all of this happens without breaking your flow, without taking a device out of your pocket, and without looking down at a screen. Your hands stay free, your attention stays on the world around you, and you're still completely connected. Replacing your laptop is a bigger challenge, but it's where Meta glasses could be truly game-changing. The concept is simple. Instead of being limited to a single physical screen, you could have multiple virtual monitors floating in space around you, as large as you want them to be. You could be sitting on a park bench with 5 different windows open, a full keyboard projected onto the table in front of you, or you could use a small physical keyboard if you prefer. Companies are already developing AR workspace software that would allow you to position virtual screens wherever you want, resize them instantly, and switch between different workspace layouts depending on what you're doing. For creative work, imagine having your main canvas in the center with tool panels floating on either side, reference images above, and a timeline below. For coding, you could have your editor on one screen, documentation on another, and your terminal on a third. Video editing could happen on a virtual screen the size of a wall. The computing power wouldn't necessarily come from the glasses themselves. They could connect wirelessly to a small computing device in your pocket or bag, or even stream applications from the cloud. The glasses become your display and your interface, while the heavy processing happens elsewhere. What truly sets Meta's vision apart is artificial intelligence. Meta AI is already integrated into their current glasses, but future versions will be exponentially more powerful. Imagine having a personal assistant that can see everything you see and understands context in real time. You're in a foreign country, and every sign you look at is automatically translated. You're at a business meeting, and your glasses are quietly taking notes and summarizing key points. You're grocery shopping, and your AI assistant reminds you about dietary restrictions while suggesting recipes based on what you're looking at. The AI can recognize faces and remind you of names and context about people you've met before. It can identify objects, provide information about landmarks, and answer questions about anything in your environment. For professionals, this means instant access to information without searching. A doctor could get patient information overlaid during examinations. An engineer could see schematics overlaid on physical equipment, and a designer could see their 3D models in real space. The combination of AI and augmented reality creates something greater than either technology alone. Your glasses don't just show you information. They understand your needs and proactively help you. So what technology needs to come together to make this vision real? First, the display technology. Meta is working on advanced microLED displays that can project bright, clear images directly into your eye while still allowing you to see the world around you clearly. These displays need to be lightweight, energy efficient, and capable of high resolution and refresh rates. Second, the battery challenge. Current smart glasses last a few hours, but all-day battery life is essential for true phone and laptop replacement. Meta is exploring more efficient processors, better battery chemistry, and even wireless charging solutions built into glasses cases. Third, the sensors and cameras need to get better while getting smaller. High-resolution cameras, depth sensors, and eye-tracking technology all need to fit into a normal-looking frame. Fourth, the computing architecture has to evolve. Some processing happens on the glasses, some on a connected device, and some in the cloud, all seamlessly coordinated. Fifth, the input methods need refinement. Voice commands, hand gestures, eye tracking, and even neural interfaces are all being developed. Finally, the software ecosystem needs to mature. Developers need tools to create AR applications, and there needs to be a compelling library of apps that make these glasses indispensable. Despite the promising technology, significant challenges remain. Privacy is a major concern because cameras on your face make people uncomfortable, and regulations around recording in public spaces vary by location. Social acceptance is another hurdle since people need to feel comfortable wearing and being around others wearing these devices. The price point needs to come down from current luxury pricing to something mass-market accessible. Battery life and computing power need another generation or two of improvement. App developers need incentives to build for this platform before there's a massive user base. So when will this actually happen? Meta's internal timeline suggests display-equipped glasses arriving around 2025 to 2027, with truly capable AR glasses that could replace phones coming around 2028 to 2030. Full laptop replacement might take until 2030 to 2035 as the technology matures and the ecosystem develops. The development won't happen in isolation either. Apple, Google, and other tech giants are working on their own versions, which will accelerate innovation and push the entire industry forward. Competition will drive down prices and improve features faster than any single company could alone. This transition won't happen overnight. Just like smartphones didn't immediately replace computers, smart glasses will coexist with phones and laptops for years. You'll probably keep your phone as a backup, and your laptop will still be useful for certain tasks. But gradually, you'll reach for your devices less and less. The glasses will handle more of your daily needs until one day, pulling out a phone feels as outdated as using a flip phone does today. The technology is advancing rapidly, and Meta is investing billions into this vision. They're not alone either. Apple, Google, and other tech giants are racing to build their own versions, and that competition will only accelerate progress. We're standing at the beginning of a major shift in how we interact with technology. The screens we've been staring down at for the past 15 years are about to move up to eye level, blending seamlessly with the world around us. The device in your pocket has defined the last decade and a half, but the device on your face might define the next 15 years. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.